Good morning. Today I'm making Mardi Gras cookies. Now really it's a soft sugar cookie, and what makes it a Mardi Gras cookie is I'm putting a cream cheese icing and I'm using the colored sugars, Mardi Gras colors, or you could use the sprinkles, anything as long as you have the Mardi Gras colors, which are gold, purple, and emerald green. So let's get started on Darlene's Table. This recipe makes 20 cookies. So I've doubled the recipe because I want more to share with my neighbors and have some for ourselves. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, this is the flour. Remember, I'm doubling the recipe. And this is the salt, baking soda, and baking powder. So I want to mix this together. I'm going to set it aside to use in a minute. Next will be to cream the butter and sugar. I'm going to scrape down the sides. Scrape down the sides, and I'm going to add the eggs, the sour cream. This is and vanilla. I'm going to scrape down the sides again. I'm going to start adding the flour mixture. I'm adding this flour in batches, not all at once, and that's mainly to keep it from flying out of my mixing bowl. We don't want to overbeat it, just until the flour is incorporated well. Okay, now put it in this bowl. I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for an hour before I start scooping the cookies. Okay. All right, the frosting for the cookies, the powdered sugar or confectioner sugar, as you want to call it, cream cheese, and vanilla and heavy cream. Now, it costs for 4.5 cups. 1 pound is 4 cups if you buy a 1 pound box. So you're still going to need a 1/2 cup. I've doubled the recipe, so I need 9 cups. So this is 2 pounds, that's 8 cups, and then I've got 1 more cup. So I don't even have to measure this. 2 pounds is 8 cups. It's a 2-pound bag of confectioner sugar. And into the mixer. This is going to be fun, trying to keep it in the mixer, right? And here's my other cup. So that's 9 cups of powdered sugar. I'm using the blade attachment. And I'm going to pour in, all the ingredients go in at once. This heavy cream will help so you don't have powdered sugar flying everywhere. Just start it on low. Hallelujah. I'm gonna. So now the vanilla. It really looks like it's blended well. Now, of course, we're not going to frost these cookies until the cookies are completely cool. For now, I'm just going to put it in a bowl and cover it up. Now, my mixer, these are workhorses, I'm telling you. I bought this in 2008 when we went through Hurricane Ike and we lost our house. We lost everything. So this was bought in 2008. What does that make it? 15 to 16 years old. And it's still going strong. Few little things, but not much. It won't be long. I'll probably replace it because I want to get one with the glass bowl. But anyway. All right, so I've removed the icing from the mixing bowl to this bowl. I'm going to cover it up. And now we'll wait to bake the cookies. Well, the dough's been in the refrigerator for an hour. And that's firmed it up some. This is a 1.5 tablespoon cookie scoop. Now, I'm going to put it in my hand and make it into a nice ball. It said to place these 3 inches apart, so I'm only going to put 2 to a row. Okay, 2 more, that's about it on this pan because they're supposed to be 3 inches apart. All right, there's one sheet. So bake these cookies at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes, and about halfway through, rotate the pan for even baking. 15 minutes was perfect in my oven. I'm going to let these cookies cool 3 to 4 minutes on the baking sheet before I remove them to the cooling rack. I can't. All right. Time to put the frosting on these cookies. I'm going to frost about 10 at a time, and then I'm going to decorate with the Mardi Gras colors. All right, well, this is the purple, and those colors, you know, are purple, gold, and green. I doubled the cookie recipe, and it's a wonderful cookie. It's soft. Just a great cookie, great sugar cookie. Really holds its shape. So it's what my aunt used to call tea cakes. Then I made the icing and I doubled that. I only made about 36 cookies. And this is the icing doubled. In fact, I don't even think you need a single. So I'm going to change the recipe to reflect that. But I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and use it for something else. But this is ridiculous. You don't need it. If you double the sugar cookie recipe, you do not need to double the icing recipe. Soft, sweet, colorful Mardi Gras cookies. Now what makes them a Mardi Gras cookie? Well, it's the colors, that's all. Purple, gold, and green. My Aunt Suzy made these and called them tea cakes. Only she didn't add frosting. The frosting adds sweetness and supports the sanding sugars. I did a little research and discovered the significance of the colors. It was 1872 when the colors were set to honor the visiting Russian Grand Duke Alexei, and in 1892 the meaning of the colors was established. Purple represents justice, green for faith, and gold is for power. So there you go. Give them a try soon, and please let me know what you think. The recipe is on my website, DarlenesTable.com. That's it for now, and remember to like and subscribe and come back to see what's cooking on Darlene's Table.